Every brick begins its life deep within the earth. Not all clay is equal. Strength starts with selection. Precision guides where the earth is opened. Machines take over where hands cannot. Raw material is pulled from its ancient rest. Volume matters when building the modern world. Each layer reveals better material below.
Keep it steady, push right.
This depth holds the strength we need. This depth holds the strength we need.
12.5, right on target. Confirmed. Check the next spot. 13.2, we're good.
Scale transforms effort into industry. The journey forward begins immediately. Consistency is maintained through controlled flow. Every ton is measured and recorded. Human judgment still seals approval. Raw earth moves toward transformation. This is where nature meets process. An ecosystem built for strength. The raw journey ends, the industrial one begins. Movement inside the system is carefully controlled.
Every load has a predefined path.
Condition is verified at every stage. Raw material enters the heart of operations. Positioning ensures efficiency. Safety frames every action. Gravity does the first work. Bulk becomes flow. Transport continues unseen. Nothing is wasted. One cycle completes, another begins. The system never stops moving. Material is guided, not rushed. Direction changes without interruption. Air quality protects both people and process. Supply is buffered for balance.
Flow is measured in real time. Adjusting the speed now. Looks stable.
Transport gives way to transformation. Scale defines the first impression. The process crosses a critical threshold. Inside, control replaces chaos. Every path is engineered. Human presence remains essential. Material is routed with precision. Gravity assists the system. Even distribution prevents weakness. Preparation begins immediately. Impurities are removed early. Impurities are removed early. Consistency is engineered. Containment protects quality. Moisture is carefully managed. Balance strengthens the bond.
Nothing is lost unnecessarily.
Material is now ready for refinement. The next stage begins here. Surface impurities are stripped away. Surface impurities are stripped away.
Air stays clean, material stays pure.
Refined material moves onward. Precision increases with each step. Defects are filtered without delay. Defects are filtered without delay. Hidden contaminants are captured. Purity prevents failure later. Environment shapes performance.
Small changes protect strength.
Preparation nears completion.
Color and texture look good?
Yes, it's consistent.
Good. Proceed.
Experience confirms the data. Timing is everything. The core process awaits. Power replaces preparation. Refinement gives way to formation. Raw mass is broken into workable form. Size control defines reliability. Texture is refined through pressure. Uniformity replaces randomness. Air is the enemy of strength. Voids are eliminated before shaping. Density ensures durability. Form is forced into existence. Shape is decided here. Consistency becomes visible. Details define quality. Continuous form meets precision division. Many units from one flow. Order is established instantly. Accuracy governs volume. Moisture must now leave. Patience strengthens structure. Controlled drying prevents hidden weakness. Balance protects internal structure. Experience confirms readiness. Drying reaches its conclusion. Drying reaches its conclusion. Heat becomes the final test. Transformation begins under fire. Structure locks into permanence. Strength is forged, not formed. Cooling must be gradual. Sudden change destroys integrity. brick is born.
Quality is verified again.
Precision confirms reliability. Standards allow no compromise. Volume meets consistency. Automation prepares the finish.
Automation inherits the workload.
Uniformity defines strength. Stability is engineered. Accuracy never assumes. Weight moves with purpose. Security follows structure. Movement demands restraint. Protection extends longevity. Containment preserves order. Prepared for movement. Identity follows every unit. Traceability is guaranteed. Logistics replace labor. Storage is structured readiness.
Human skill complements automation.
Order is maintained vertically. Order is maintained vertically. The final movement begins here. Precision continues to the end. Transport spaces are prepared. Experience guides heavy movement. Stability protects the journey. Responsibility signs off. The cargo is sealed. Finished goods move outward. Distribution scales production. Industry meets infrastructure. Supply waits in readiness. Consistency is visible.
Output looks solid here. Agreed. Let's check the next batch. People remain at the center.
Every system connects. Output never stands still. Scale reflects purpose. Built to last, built to serve.
And this is how modern factories produce bricks from start to finish.